Hello, this is Smart Contracts coming to you with another update for Tronmoon. Today is July 23rd, 2021. And as you can see, we're still waiting to do a withdrawal for Tronmoon. This one had a 3-day wait, and so now I'm waiting an additional 1 day, 2 hours and 32 minutes. I haven't been able to reach a leader to see what changed in the contract or if this is just a basis to extend the contract longer, which would be a great idea, but it was not announced to anyone. So if anyone has some feedback, please leave a comment below. Please subscribe and share the link with your friends. And as always, if you are a member of the Facebook group and also the YouTube channel, you can leave your referral link in the comments below, and we will get you some time to promote your own referral link on our channel. Until next time, I'll see you later.